If you've been living under a rock in the last week, well, I'm gonna cue you in on some stuff that you probably should know. We had a flash crash in the crypto market just a couple of days ago. Bitcoin was under 30,000, Ethereum was below 1,900, and Dogecoin was below 40 cents. $600 billion of the crypto market was just completely wiped out. China has now banned any financial institutions from using any cryptocurrencies, and well, the crypto market might be dying. There has been so much enthusiasm around the crypto market the last couple of months, and it has surged up to new historic highs. However, that enthusiasm is now changing into something else, more in the sense of fear. As I mentioned earlier, China just banned any financial institutions from using cryptocurrencies. Along with that, the almighty Elon Musk came out and tweeted saying that Tesla is no longer going to be accepting, buying, and transacting in Bitcoin. The reason why is because Elon Musk is concerned with the environmental damages that go along with mining these cryptocurrencies. And of course, all the volatility has shaken out a lot of people from the crypto markets because they just don't have diamond hands. In this video, I'm going over what is happening, what is the cause, am I buying, and what is the future for crypto markets so you guys can make some money. Before I jump into everything, please like the video, it helps me out a lot, and of course subscribe to the channel, hit that bell notification so you're up to date on all the newest uploads, and let's jump into it. The last couple of months in the crypto market have just been completely absurd. In December, Bitcoin hit 20K, which was the all-time high since 2017, and then since then it has gone up to new historic highs, reaching over $60,000 per coin. Institutions have started to accept cryptocurrency following Tesla's lead, and they're starting to legitimize it as a store of value. Along with all the enthusiasm around retail investors and the stimulus package, it's all kind of jumbled into one and the perfect storm, helping cryptocurrency go to the moon. Tesla bought $1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin and then started accepting it as a form of payment for their cars. Right after that, followed a 20% surge in the Bitcoin price. Other businesses started to accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Enthusiasm among retail traders spiked and thus helped surge up the price of all these cryptos. But just as it spiked up super fast, it fell quite hard as well. Right after peaking at about $60,000, Bitcoin dropped to around 50 and started to stabilize. It slowly trended back up, and then it was hit by that Elon Musk tweet, which then plummeted the price. And of course, after every single Elon Musk tweet, the market has a massive reaction, and this one really hurt. China has banned cryptocurrencies from financial institutions, but that's not it, because retail investors can still transact and buy and sell and hold any cryptos they want. So far. And then with all that chaos in between those two catalysts, the crypto exchanges had such a surge in demand that they actually shut down. Coinbase completely stopped operations and no one could buy or sell any of their crypto. After this really sharp downturn, can it go any lower? And if so, how low? If you look in the last month to 2 months, Bitcoin has gone down quite substantially, about 40%. But then if you zoom out, looking back to even last October, Bitcoin is still up an amazing amount. You have to understand that crypto right now is very volatile. It has always been volatile, and then that might change in the future, but not in the near future at least. And just because all these people are selling doesn't mean that that's everyone, because a lot of people are aggressively buying into cryptos right now, understanding that Bitcoin might never ever go back to these levels ever again. Cathie Wood even came out and doubled down on her statement, saying that Bitcoin is going to hit $500,000. However, other businesses come out and said that they're not too bullish on it, like Square. They've just lost $20 million, and they said that they are not going to be buying anytime soon. And then a lot of people understand that Tesla's stock price is directly tied to their Bitcoin investment, because, well, the effects of the Bitcoin price will affect the value of the business that is Tesla. So Tesla has also dropped quite substantially. They were up around 900, and a lot of enthusiasm around them has really turned to a lot of fear, and they are below 600 today. My stance on crypto, well, I'm really bullish on Ethereum and Bitcoin. I just see them as the two big dogs, and they're not really going to be shoved off that podium. 2% of my net worth is divided between Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I am consistently buying in every single week. I'm up around 150% on my positions when I started buying in, and again, I am still very bullish on the foreseeable future. I'm continuously averaging in, so if it's 60 today and 30 next week and then 170 next week, I'm going to continue to buy. In my personal humble opinion, a lot of people look at cryptos as an all or nothing investment, which I definitely do not think that's a wise idea. I do think that you can invest in crypto responsibly. I see it more as a diversification asset where I don't want all of my net worth basically in stocks. I would like to have a little bit in crypto, some in stocks, some in real estate, etc. Many people are very emotional about their investments, and you have to just understand that the crypto market comes with the volatility, and that's just part of the territory. So don't get too emotional because that's just going to happen. I believe you can invest in crypto safely and understand that you are investing for the long term. If you believe that crypto is going to succeed in the long term, well, what does it really matter if it goes on a flash sale today? If anything, just buy more. If you are panicking about your crypto position, you might want to rethink it. It's either because you've basically overextended yourself on your crypto position or you don't really believe in it in the long term. Last thing that I do want to mention about the crypto market that is just tearing me apart. All these BS coins are just suspicious. All these influencers are coming out and hyping up these no-name coins that have no real-world actual purpose and use, saying that they've made 1,000% in the last 2 days, and then by that time, once they've actually made all that money, they're selling it to you to then inflate the price even more, sell out, and then you guys are stuck with the ocean out. They run off with the cash in their pockets, and you guys are standing there absolutely stranded. It puts a lot of bad reputation on the crypto markets, and I do not support that whatsoever because, again, I'm a large supporter in the crypto market in the long term, except these coins are just not the wave. It does no justice for the crypto markets and the coins that actually have a legitimate purpose that helps people out. Number 2 of my pet peeves in the crypto markets is people trading on Elon Musk's hype train. Do not trade on his tweets because 1, it's just a complete gamble, and then number 2, if you're not looking at it for the long term, then why are you in it in the short term? I know there's going to be a ton of comments in the comment section stating,
"Oh, well, you're wrong because I made 10,000% day trading Dogecoin."
yes, you can make money that way, that's just not my style. It's very speculative, and these tweets have a very short-term effect and will not change the outcome of the crypto market in the long term. All in all, if you're over-leveraged in the crypto markets and you're feeling very panicky about this flash crash, well, you might want to rethink your position. Don't trade out of your emotions, trade out of your logic, and I cannot stress that enough. As I mentioned earlier, I'm buying consistently and holding for the long term because I got those diamond hands. And if you've made it this far in the video, I would really appreciate a like, drop a sub, bell notifications so you're up to date on the latest and greatest content. Good luck in the markets, and I'll see you guys next time.